Minna no Nihongo, Lesson 31, Part 3. First, Nokori mas. Remain, be left. Mada, shigoto ga nokotte iru kara, kaera nai desu. I still have work to do, so I cannot return home just yet. Second, new gaku shiken, entrance exam. Raigetsu no doyobi ni new gaku shiken ga arimasu. I have an entrance exam on next week Saturday. Third, Suki ni in a month. Suki ni ikkai bijutsukan e ikimasu. I go to the art museum once every month. Fourth, Mura village. Kono Mura wa shizen ga oi desu. This village is surrounded with lots of nature. Fifth, Tsutsugyu graduation. Watashi tachi wa rai nen Tsutsugyu shimasu. We will be graduating next year. Sixth, Eigakan movie theater. Watashi no uchi no Chikaku ni Eigakan ga arimasu. There is a movie theater near my house. 7. Sora sky. Sora ga kumotteimasu. The sky is clouded. 8th, Tojimasu to close. Kyoka shou o tojite kudasai. Please close your textbooks. 9. Tokai city. Watashi wa tokai ni sumitai desu. I want to live in a city. 10th, Tomodachi children. Kodomo tachi wa koen de asondeimasu. The kids are playing in the park. Grammar point 5. Mada verb te imasen. This expression indicates that a situation has not yet occurred or something has not been done. Example, Ginko wa mada aite imasen. The bank has not opened yet. Example 2. Ripoto wa mou kakimashita ka? Ie mada kaite imasen. Did you write the report? No, not yet. Grammar point 6. Kairimasu, kairi. The mass form root can be used as a noun. Example, kairi no Shinkansen wa doko kara norimasu ka? Where do we get on the Shinkansen while returning home? Example 2. Yasumi wa nan yobi desu ka? Which days do you off?